Hello everybody, this is Atoshi and you watching the channel Atoshi's Edulore English for All. The word of the day is banter. Banter. Banter का मतलब है हंसी उड़ाना या मजाक उड़ाना. To joke or tease someone in a friendly way. Banter को हम noun as well as verb दोनों forms में use कर सकते हैं. The synonyms of banter are to joke, to jeer, to ridicule someone, and the antonyms are to praise and compliment. And yes, do watch my latest video on praises and compliments where I have discussed 10 stunning sentences on how to compliment someone. As a noun, the sentences can be, we enjoy the kind of banter in the Kapil Sharma show. I think most of us enjoy it. Kapil Sharma is the master of witty banter. As a verb, don't banter with her when she's in a bad mood. Think before you banter with me. So here you have got another word with you, and yes, do frame a sentence and comment me. I'll again come back with a new word. Till then, bye-bye.